Hi everyone! macOS Monterey is a great new update we have all been very excited about. But the new updates rarely run flawlessly, and macOS Monterey is no exception. Luckily, there is a fix for almost every problem you may encounter. In this video, I'll break down common macOS Monterey problems and fixes. If you were in the middle of updating your Mac, but the macOS Monterey installation failed, here are a few things you should try. Check if you have enough space. Apple recommends having about 20 gigabytes of free hard drive space to install new OS update. To check how much free space you have, go to the Apple menu, About this Mac. Select the Storage tab and let it calculate how your storage space is allocated. If there are less than 20 gigabytes available, click Manage and follow the tips to optimize your hard drive. Next up, let's check the Wi-Fi connection. A problem with the internet connection may be the reason why the update gets stuck. Check the network if you can, or switch to an Ethernet cable to avoid Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Finally, check Apple system status. When Apple servers are down, all Mac users can experience issues with the update. To check the current server status, visit the System Status page. I've put a link in the video description. Look for a green status indicator next to macOS Software Update. If there is a problem, it will say Outage alongside a red dot. Another problem that is relatively common during macOS Monterey installation is Time Machine getting stuck. If the last time you've backed up your Mac was some time ago, it may take longer for Time Machine to prepare a backup. Giving it more time should fix the issue, but if it's been stalled for a while, try stopping the backup in progress. Then uncheck the Backup Automatically box. Now, exclude the large files you don't need from the backup. Click Options and press Plus to add files. Before starting the backup over, make sure your antivirus software doesn't interfere with Time Machine. Exclude the external drive from the antivirus scans or quit the antivirus altogether while you're backing up your data. Some users reported having performance issues after updating their Macs to macOS Monterey. If that's the case with your MacBook, there is an app that can fix that. CleanMyMac X is a Mac cleaner and optimization tool that runs useful optimizations and speeds things up on your computer. It disables background processes, frees up RAM, and shows exactly what's slowing down your Mac. Download CleanMyMac X here. Follow the link in the description box. Then install and launch the app, and go to Optimization. Select the login items and launch agents that you want to disable. Finally, click Remove. Now move to the Maintenance tab and run some optimizations here. CleanMyMac X saves the time you'd spend running all those commands in Terminal. So if you're looking for a safe and quick way to fix your slow Mac, try CleanMyMac X. It's notarized by Apple. Some of the early adopters of the macOS Monterey reported an input delay that happened every 5 minutes and lasted for 5 to 20 seconds at a time. Unfortunately, Apple still has no fix, but we expect the solution will arrive in the next update. In the meantime, you can try the following. Some programs can conflict with each other, causing your trackpad or mouse to lag. Quit all the active apps. You can do that using the Force Quit menu. Just press Option-Command-Escape to launch it. Then reopen the apps one by one to identify the culprit. If it's impossible for you to use your Mac normally, consider downgrading to the previous macOS. Check out our video on how to roll back from macOS Monterey to Big Sur. The link is in the description. The next frustrating issue you may face after the upgrade is Wi-Fi not working. If it happens to you, first try forgetting the network. Go to System Preferences, Network. Then select Wi-Fi and click Advanced. Select the network you want to forget and press the minus button. Click Remove to confirm. Reconnect to the network and see if it worked. If it didn't help, updating your Wi-Fi preferences may fix the issue. Here's how to do that. Go to Finder. In the Go menu, select Go to Folder. Enter this location and press Go. You can find this line in the description box. Locate the following files and delete them. You can find the list of all these files in the description below. Restart your Mac and your Wi-Fi router. The new preference files will be rebuilt and Wi-Fi should be up and running. Another thing with Wi-Fi is that we often use a lot of different Wi-Fi networks, forgetting some of them are free and unsecure. So it's better to remove those networks for good. CleanMyMac X helps you to do just that. It shows the list of all open networks you've earlier connected to and deletes them. You can explore other privacy features as well to be more in control of your data and remain secure. One reason VPN apps are not working correctly after an update to Monterey is a new Apple feature called iCloud Private Relay. This option hides your actual IP address and assigns you a new IP when you connect. And as some users reported, it can interfere with VPN apps. So here's how to disable it. Go to Apple menu, System Preferences. Click Apple ID. In the left side menu, select iCloud. Then find Private Relay and click Options. Click Turn Off to disable it. Hopefully the issue is gone. Bluetooth issues are common on the new OS. It happened on Big Sur, and it happens on Monterey now. If Bluetooth keeps disconnecting or doesn't connect at all, here are some things you can do. To reset Bluetooth, press Shift Option and click the Bluetooth icon. Here, select Reset the Bluetooth module. In the window that appears, click OK. If that didn't help fix the Bluetooth issue on your Mac, go to the next step. NVRAM is a type of memory on your Mac that contains certain settings. PRAM, which stands for Parameter RAM, stores similar information. Resetting NVRAM and PRAM can help fix issues with sound, display, Bluetooth, and other preferences. Here's how to do that. Shut down your Mac, turn it on, and press Option-Command-PR on Mac Startup. Hold the keys for 20 seconds, then release. When your Mac starts up, go to System Preferences to modify any settings that were altered. App crashes are rare on Macs, but they do happen after the update, probably because not all the apps are optimized for the new macOS. If you're experiencing app crashing on Monterey, try force quitting the misbehaving program. Press Option-Command-Escape to launch the Force Quit menu. Select the app and click Force Quit. Restart the app and see if it worked. If the app keeps crashing, try resetting it. CleanMyMac X can help you with that. It will restore the app to its factory settings without deleting it from your Mac. Open CleanMyMac X and go to Uninstaller. Select the app that's crashing. Click the drop-down menu and choose Reset. Press Reset to confirm. As quick as that, your app should now be back to its default settings. macOS Monterey is a great new update, but things may go out of control when you upgrade your Mac. Follow the tips in this video to fix the issues that may occur during and after you install the new macOS. And that's all for today. Check out the description box for links and additional info, and stay tuned for more videos.